Hi, my name is Anja Olsen, Senior Product Marketing Manager at Polycom Kirk DECT Solutions in Denmark. Today I'll introduce you to the latest addition to the Polycom Kirk wireless handset portfolio, which is the ruggedized Kirk 60 handset series. With a complete set of specialized features that have been prepared for third-party applications, such as alarm notification icons, TIA string and man down detector, the Kirk 6020 and the Kirk 6040 are the ultimate handsets for manufacturing and personal safety when communication and real-time mobility is critical. The Kirk 60 handset series is available for sale in Europe, Australia and in New Zealand. There are 3 different categories for these alarms. There are blue icons for generic service alarm notifications, red icons for emergency and life-threatening alarm notifications, and green icons are used for acknowledgement of an alarm notification. To each icon, a matching LED and sound can be added. There are different variants of both light and sound, so you can simply choose the one that fits your company best. In addition, the Kirk 6040 handset has 3 important personal safety features. These are the running alarm, the man down and TIA off alarm detectors, which are very useful when the handset carrier do not have the possibility to send out an alarm himself. All alarm icons and detectors are designed especially for manufacturing and environments where personal safety is key. And last, the business impact of being wireless in the manufacturing vertical is reduced production downtime, improved operational efficiency, and finally increased safety and security for the employees. If you would like to learn more about the benefits of the new handsets for manufacturing, please visit Polycom website at www.polycom.com for flash movies, data sheets and much more. Thank you.